So in today's video, I'm going to talk about how to make 10k a month selling your knowledge. And I'm going to go through a full step-by-step guide. So honestly, guys, just follow this. You literally can make so much money. Now I'm saying 10k a month, and I say that as, this is what you can make in the beginning. You can easily scale this to 20, 30, 40, even 50k a month. And I'm going to go through the whole blueprint today, give you all the information that you need so you can actually start this business yourself. Now, I actually started this business for the first time and I made 10k in the first month. And now I currently help a lot of my clients do the same. But I'm going to go through in this video how you can do it and literally make some really good money. Now, before I go through exactly how you can do this, I want to quickly give you a background on my story. So I started working at a company called Argos. I did a 9 to 5 there. I then moved to a company called Sky where I was sort of selling on the phone. That was my first proper sales job. I then moved to the media side of Sky. This is where we handle content and deal with clients. And you can see in this picture here, like, I was also working on my YouTube channel. I was also working on my online businesses, and I remember working really hard. And I've got a full video on my story which I will be posting on my YouTube channel soon. But sort of a quick background, that's what I was doing, and this was my final job before I actually did quit. So I eventually quit my job and I moved straight to Dubai. Now, when I moved to Dubai, I quit my job. I had no savings. I sold my dream car, and yeah, it was a tough time. It was a massive risk that I took in my life, and yeah, it's paid off. And the reason it's paid off was because I'm able to make money online. Now, when I did move, I was making some money online. It wasn't a crazy amount, but it was some income that I was making online. And that was because of the hard work I did prior to moving to Dubai, which was, working on my online businesses on the side and working on my online businesses while I was doing a 9 to 5. So yeah, quit my job and I moved to Dubai, and now I'm making well over 10k a month through my online business. And I want to show you guys how you guys can do exactly the same. Now, I'm going to give you some examples of some clients that I worked with so you can see that not only has it helped me, but it's also helped a lot of other people. So my mission was to help others do the exact same. And as you can see, these are some of my client results. So you can see this person signed his first client at 5k a month for 3 months. You've got this person here who booked her first call within literally 2 weeks of working with me. You've got this person here who made £6,000 in a day, which is like $7,500. And then you've got this person who got their first client for 5k. So as you can see, it does work. It works for me. It works for my clients. And I'm going to show you guys how it can work for you too. Now, just before I go into the steps in regards to how you guys can do this and make money online, I want to first talk about Gamma. Now, Gamma is an amazing AI tool which I use for my coaching business. Now, we all know that creating presentations can be a huge pain. It takes forever to format the slides, make them look professional, and organize all your content properly. But what if you could generate a fully designed, ready to go presentation in a matter of seconds? That's exactly what Gamma does. It's AI powered, extremely fast, and ridiculously easy. All you do is type in your topic, select your theme, and within seconds, Gamma builds a beautifully structured presentation for you. No need to mess with slides, layouts, or any boring templates. And you can see how amazing this presentation turned out. And it literally took me less than 1 minute to create. And as someone who runs an online business, I'm always pitching new ideas and creating presentations for my clients. And with Gamma, I can generate an entire deck within minutes, saving me hours and hours compared to using PowerPoint. Plus, it's interactive, customizable, and requires zero design skills. Literally anyone can create a professional presentation in a matter of seconds. If you're a business owner, content creator, or anyone who needs to make professional presentations without the hassle, honestly, this is the future. So I'd recommend trying it for yourself by going on to gamma.app. I will leave the link in the description. So make sure you click that link in the description and start creating your presentations with Gamma. Right, guys, so let me go into exactly how you guys can do this. And it's literally broken down into 5 simple steps. Literally anyone can do this. And in my opinion, this is the most beginner-friendly business model. So let me go through the blueprint on how you can do this business model. Now, what this business model is a coaching business, which basically means you're going to be selling your knowledge. So step 1, you need to identify a skill you possess or dedicate time learning one. Now, I'll put the last part in just sort of like a backup. However, every single person that is watching this video has a skill. And literally, you have a skill that's probably worth 10, 20, even 30k a month that you just don't know about. You just need to unlock that skill and you can start making some serious money. Now, once you've identified your skill, or let's say you actually took some time out to learn one, you now need to create your offer, which is your pricing and deliverables. So as it's a coaching business, you'd normally have like one-to-one coaching. So it'd normally be like maybe once a week, or it would be once a month, or you could even offer group coaching as well. However, in my opinion, you should always do one-to-one coaching, as it's just a better offer. And if you just do 1 hour a week, or even if you do 1 hour a month but offer intense value, then it'll be extremely easy for you to get clients. Now, in regards to pricing, pricing can be very difficult to do. Your pricing has to be high ticket. So high ticket is anything over $2,000 or $3,000. So I'll give you guys an example. There's actually a woman selling a knitting course. Now, I wouldn't classify her thing as high ticket. it, she's charging $1,000 a month. She has 18 clients, so she's making $18,000 a month. Now let's say you were charging, let's say $3,000 a month. You'd only need 3 clients to make about $9,000 a month. So you can see already how you can easily scale this and make some serious money by just having a handful of clients. Now step 2 will be creating YouTube or Instagram videos. Now there's 2 ways you can do this. You can choose to do faceless videos, which there is a different route for you to do that in, or you can create a personal brand. Now personally, I would always recommend creating a personal brand. It's extremely important in 2025 that everyone does this. Everyone needs to create a personal brand. It's like the new Bitcoin in my opinion. You know, creating your own personal brand essentially is what's going to make you money in 2025, 2026, 2027, and just going forwards in the next few years. Now with Instagram videos, you can create some really good faceless ones, or you can have some clips of you speaking to the camera. Now what I found works really well is faceless videos. Now they're not exactly faceless, but you can have your face in them and just have like a bunch of information. I'll give you an example, right? This is one of my reels that I created.
Obvious that you want me, but I said I will want myself.
So as you can see, super simple, just literally me with a laptop, and then I just give out some free value. Now, if you do the faceless route, there is a different way to do this. However, as I said, I'd completely recommend that you do this by creating a personal brand. It's extremely important, and you'll just make a lot more money by doing so. Now, step 3 is building a funnel. Now, building a funnel can literally just be a Calendly page, just like I've done. For example, in the description of this video, and even in the pinned comment, it will just be my Calendly link. Now, my Calendly link is just for you guys to book a call with me. So if you want help building this business and you want help selling your knowledge, then you can literally just book a call with me and I'll jump on the call with you to see if I can help you. So for example, that's my funnel. Now other people have funnels where it's like a landing page with a VSL. Now a VSL is like a video sales letter, and it's just basically you pitching your service to potential clients. Now a lot of people do this. A lot of people build a funnel by building a landing page. They have their VSL, and then they would have like a book a call option. Other people would have like, you know, they link their free training, so you need to put in your email address and your name, and then what will happen is that they'll give you access to free training, which you can then book a call as well. Now what's good about doing this method is that you do capture leads by capturing the email address and name, so you can add them to your email list, and this works as well. And there are so many ways to do this, but you just need to pick one and make it very, very simple. Now step 4 is once you've got calls booked on your calendar, you need to take sales calls. Now sales calls are just potential clients that want to work with you, that have booked in a call with you, and at that point it's just you pitching your service to see if they are a correct fit. Now I might make a whole video on how to take a sales call, because yeah, sales calls can be tough if you don't know what you're doing. Now because I have some sort of background in sales, it's helped me a lot in my business. So if you guys want like a full video on how to conduct a sales call, then literally leave it down in the comments below and I'll make a full video on that. But yeah, there is a method to it with sales calls. You basically just got to ask loads of questions, you know, qualify them, see if they're the right fit, then introduce your price and hopefully get them on board. Now, once you've got them on board, the final thing that you need to do is deliver value. Now, delivering value, as I mentioned earlier, could be in the form of one-to-one coaching, let's say once a week or once a month, or you could have a course and one-to-one coaching, or you could have group coaching as well. So whatever your deliverables are, whatever your value is, and honestly guys, that's all you've got to do. It's a very, very simple business model that literally anyone can do. Now, as I said earlier, you saw some of my clients that have made money. I've also told you that I made 10K in my first month doing this business model. So it shows that literally anyone can do this. And if you really need help building this type of business, well, you can either book in a call with me by clicking the link in the description or the pinned comment, or you can DM me on Instagram. You can ask me any questions, and what we'll do, we'll jump on a call and I'll see if we're a good fit to work together. But yeah guys, that's the video there today. Thanks very much for watching. Make sure you share, subscribe and like, and I'll catch you guys for another video.